Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed and crop marks in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you're preparing professional documents for print, as these marks guide printers on where to trim your pages and ensure your design extends properly to the edges. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to access all the powerful print production tools that Acrobat Pro offers for preparing your files professionally. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with. This is where you'll find documents you've recently opened or worked on, making it quick to locate the project you need to add printer marks to. If your file isn't in the recent list, you can always browse to find it manually. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This opens up Adobe Acrobat's complete toolkit, giving you access to advanced features beyond the basic editing options. It's where the professional print production features live. In the left sidebar that appears, click on View More, then click on Use Print Production. This section is specifically designed for preparing files for professional printing, and it's where you'll find all the tools needed to add crop marks, bleed marks, and other essential printing elements. Once you're in the print production area, click on Add Printer Marks in the left sidebar. This tool lets you customize exactly which marks you want to include on your document. These marks are essential for commercial printers to know where to cut and how your design should be positioned. Now comes the important part. Check the box beside trim marks and bleed marks. Trim marks, also called crop marks, show the printer exactly where to cut your document. Bleed marks indicate where your background colors or images should extend beyond the trim line to prevent white edges after cutting. Having both ensures a professional finish. Next, navigate to Page Range and select your preferred options such as All or Selected Page. If you're working on a multi-page document, you might only need marks on certain pages, or you might want them on every page. Choose what works best for your project. After making your selections, click OK to apply the marks. A confirmation will pop up asking you to verify the changes you're about to make to your document. This is Adobe's way of making sure you don't accidentally modify something important. Click Yes to confirm, then click OK one final time to complete the process. Your document now has professional bleed and crop marks that will guide any printer in producing your work exactly as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully added bleed and crop marks to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro, making it print-ready and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.